good afternoon, or good evening, maybe even good morning, depending where you are. I'm here to share our experience of incorporating a copyright lecture into a language class. One of the things we've learned from this pandemic is how valuable the open educational resources are. The open does not mean free of copyright. So understanding copyright is more important than ever. By now, most of the big academic libraries have a copyright lawyer on staff. Our library too hired a copyright lawyer a few years ago. Increasing copyright awareness is one of his priorities, but talking about copyright to students, especially the undergrads, is not easy. Recently, he and I teamed up and we successfully built a copyright lecture into a Korean language class. First, let me tell you some background information. A few years ago, our library implemented the liaison librarian model. Liaisons are encouraged to look for opportunities for librarians to become more embedded in the curriculum and to promote our library's new services. And on the faculty side, one of our Korean language professors wanted to revise the course Advanced Reading in Modern Korean to improve the curriculum with the goal to strengthen students' cultural competency. She asked our library to help her develop a multimedia class project. Students are required to research Korean culture through authentic materials and produce a short video based on their research topic. Since this is a Korean class and I am the liaison for East Asian Studies, so I was asked to lead this project. Our library's multimedia technologist proposed a media tech workshop, including lectures on video techniques and a tour of our library's media lab. And in addition to create their own video footage, the students are expected to use existing video clips from the library's collection or from the other sources such as YouTube. Therefore, this class project presented a great opportunity to talk about copyright to the students. Our library's copyright lawyer has done a lot of listening outreach. He's totally on board with my suggestion of having a copyright talk for the class. We met with the faculty and decided to have him design and deliver a copyright lecture specifically for the class, focusing on fair use of videos and images. Here it is. He has a very catchy title. His lecture is centered on 5 scenarios are most likely to be encountered in a video project. Here they are on the slide. I'm not going to read them. I'm very happy to report by the end of the lecture, the students can answer all these 5 questions very confidently. The professor also assigned the students to write a short reflection about the copyright lecture. Here is the slide to show you some of the feedback from the students. Again, I'm not going to read them. It was very clear the students enjoyed the lecture, and more importantly, they've gained useful knowledge. I'm not sure if there is a question time during the live session, but I'm happy to answer any questions. If you have, you can email me. Thank you.